And our next topic is indigenous banking system. The history of banking system is also very old in our country. There were so many sections of the society and there were many communities which were involved in indigenous banking system. So far indigenous banking system is concerned, there is no particular law which is dealing with this system, and there are many communities like Sarafs in Gujarat, Shahukars in UP, Chatiyars in South, and Khatris in Punjab who were dealing with indigenous banking system. Then next is functions of indigenous bankers. So functions of indigenous bankers can be studied into two parts, that is banking functions and non-banking functions. Under banking functions, they were performing three types of functions, like to accept deposits, to give loans, and to deal in hundis. Now to accept deposits, they were involved in accepting deposits from the general public, and these deposits were payable on demand or after some stipulated time period. That means a fixed time period, they were paid back to the person who has deposited the money. So the interest was also paid to the people, and they were in personal contact with the persons who were giving the loan, who were receiving the loans, or who were giving the deposits to these indigenous bankers. So they were also the relatives and friends, and they were all having the personal contact with the persons. Then second is to give loans. They were providing loans, short-term loans, direct loans, indirect loans to the small farmers, for the agricultural purposes, and to the small traders and to small-scale industries. And the loans were given on the basis of promissory notes or simple receipts or some legal documents, and they were also charging rate of interest, and rate of interest was different for the different people, and also depending upon their different situations, and on the basis of the security which was being offered for the loans. But they were playing a very important role in the life of small farmers, small traders. Then next is to deal in hundis. The role which is played by the checks in the modern banking system, the same role was played by hundis in the indigenous banking system. So that we can say that hundis were like checks in the indigenous banking system. So there were two types of hundis, Darshini hundi and Muddati hundi. Darshini hundi was payable on demand, while Muddati hundi, Muddat means time, so Muddati hundi was payable at the stipulated date in future, the date which was mentioned in the Darshini hundi. So various other non-banking functions were also performed by the indigenous bankers. These were speculative trade, commission agents, and other business. Speculative trade, like whenever the crops were standing in the fields, they were also providing money on the basis of that, and they were also involved in speculative trade, like wheat and other products in the which are standing in the fields. Then is commission agents. They were also working as the commission agents in the grain markets, in the food grain markets, and they were also involved in other businesses like other non-banking activities, like they also became jewelers, and why they need to involve in non-banking functions, because they had to compete with the modern banking system. So to maintain their positions, to justify their survival, to justify their existence, they had to involve themselves into the other businesses. Then comes the methods of business of indigenous bankers. क्या methods वो अडॉप्ट कर रहे थे फॉर इंडिजिनियस बैंकिंग सिस्टम. सो देयर बैंकिंग सिस्टम वॉज वेरी सिंपल, it was very prompt means कि they were able to provide quick loans, and they were quickly accepting the deposits from the people. So the people didn't have to wait for a long time for having the loans, or for their financial problems they didn't have to wait for a long time. So it was less time consuming. In a very short period their financial needs were fulfilled. No doubt the procedure was quite legal, and they were having personal touch. They were personally known to each other, and because of this personal touch they were providing immediate and prompt services to the people. And their accounting system was also very simple, but it was very systematic. It was legal also, and their working hours were not fixed, so they were easily approachable by the farmers or the other people who need money. Then is methods of advancing loans by indigenous bankers. So they used different methods to advance loans. The first one is loans against the receipt. इसमें क्या होता था कि दे प्रोवाइड द लोन्स अगेंस्ट अ सिंपल रिसिप्ट एंड इन द रिसिप्ट द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एटसेट्रा वाज मेंशन. देन इज बही लोन्स. बही लोन्स में क्या होता था कि they enter the name of the person in the accounts and the loan was given against the signature of that particular person. Then is mortgage. Mortgage means the loans are provided against the mortgage of certain property, or whether it is fixed property or some movable property. Then is discounting of hundis. The bankers, the indigenous bankers also discount the hundis and also provide loans against the hundis. Then is